You may have borrowed a book from the library for your research, and you might be confused because we don't use books that much anymore for research, but all the information you need is in this book. It's also in our library database. So if you borrowed it from here, go to Search Our Catalog, and the homepage of Search Our Catalog, the OPALS homepage, has some choices for you here. Main page, teacher resources, ebooks, pathfinders. The most important one, really the only one you need, is this bibliography citation. Click on that. And here we're going to write in the title of the book, which is The Making of a Knight. The Making of a Knight. And then I'm going to go over here and click the magnifying glass. Ta-da! It's so cool. Here's all the information. And when I press cite, look at this. MLA 8. Here it is. I am going to highlight it. Command C. Go back to my debate bibliography. And return. Command V. Oh, that is too small. So watch what I'm going to do here. I'm going to delete this. And I'm going to go up to this edit option. And I'm going to click paste and match style. It didn't change anything. That's okay. I'm going to highlight it. And I'm going to change it to 12. Ta-da! And I'm also going to capitalize my title. They didn't do that for me. And I'm going to put it in italics because that's what you do for titles. So I've got my name of my author. I've got the title of the book, the publisher, the date it was published, and that's all I need.